In this lecture, guys, I want to start combining the techniques we have learned, okay, and using the keyboard and even the mouse if you like. I use the mouse a lot, but mainly in video editing, you want to be on the keyboard, is much faster. Nevertheless, what I would like you to do here is to trim this clip according to very precise frames, and also trim this clip and make the in-between, very much syncing together. This guy coming in and this guy jumping out. Fine, let's start. So obviously you want to select the in point. You can use the playhead, you position the playhead, and let's say now you refine it a bit. Let's say we start from here. Press E, it's gonna cut from the in point because it's selected to the playhead. I'm gonna go towards the end and decide where I want to stop it. Okay, it's gonna be somewhere around here. Okay, I will select the out point and press E, and here you are, I did the cut. And let's play around this cut. Okay, so I'll select it, and then I press the forward slash. It's gonna play around the cut. Okay, nothing is interesting here. So we need to now cut this one. Okay, so I will come over just to here, somewhere here, and then I will change with the U key the selection point. Notice now I'm the in point of the second clip. I press E for an extended edit. It's done. Now I need to use the nudging to make it 100% precise. I'm gonna move the playhead so you can see what am I selecting. And I keep on pressing U until I get the out point of the previous clip. Okay? Then I'm gonna use the period, for example, and I'm looking in the monitor here and deciding, okay, how is this gonna go? I want the feet to match a 100%. So I'm gonna go forward. Okay, maybe over here. Now I need this one to move a bit forward. So what I will do, I press U again. So I'm selecting the out point. Then I will use the period. Here you are. Well, the feet looks like matching because obviously in this split second he's gonna move his foot a bit more. So I'm cool with that. I can select now the edit point, okay, just over here, and try to play with the comma and the period. I will never miss that. Even if I don't do anything, I want to test. So I'm gonna press period. Notice exactly what's happening. I don't like it very much. This is going backward. If I do that, well, this is the best position possible. From here also it's possible to cut it. But I'm gonna stop just over here. I like it. So actually I adjusted the in point, the out point, and the in point of the next clip, and I have done a precise edit. I will press forward slash and it's gonna play around the edit point here. It's gonna play around the cut. I can see the cut here and estimate the job. I can do it much better. I will stop here, select the in point here, and start nudging. I think the out point should change here. I'm gonna go backward one more, okay, just like this, or maybe we go like this. What do you say, guys? I press U, I get the in point, and press comma or period. Let's select the edit point, okay, and press forward slash, and I'm playing here. Wow, I like this very much. It's much better. It's just a matter of one frame and everything will change. You can go ahead now if you like to. You stop and then you can cut it from over here. I think I leave him in the air, okay? Yeah, that will be more exciting. Select the out point, press E for an extended editing, and here you are. I am very happy from that. I'll select both clips using the shift key and forward slash to play around both of them. See exactly what's happening. Is my clip okay? Not bad at all. Let's see the cut over here at the end. Okay, very ugly cut. Of course, we're going to work on it. So actually, use the nudging, use the extend edit, and use selecting edit point type, and you came up with very precise editing and very easy to achieve. I hope you will go to Resolve 15 and start working and doing this kind of things. You don't have to wait until the end of the course to do something precise. Just try your hand on it. It's very nice. Actually, it's very rewarding. I love looking at the clips. Thank you very much for listening. I will see you in the next lecture.